Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you all are fine and spending a beautiful day with the great health. I'm here with my new video, and today's video is a little bit different from my other videos because in today's video we'll see some flat sandal that look really pretty and look really nice. And as you see, these are really comfortable, and you can wear this in your daily routine, in your home and everywhere, because these are too comfortable, and these look really pretty with your eastern or western every kind of outfits. And as you see, this one is a really nice white color of uh, sandal. This is in a brown color that look really pretty. It's really aesthetic and old vibes. And as you see, this one is also really nice. Beautiful golden and black combination that look really pretty and look really nice. And as you see, this one is a really beautiful combination of two or three colors. And as you see, this look really amazing, a really nice type of design. This is also really nice type of stones design that look really pretty and give a very beautiful type of vibe. And as you see, this one is also really nice type of combination. And if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon. And so if you like this video, so subscribe my channel and comment below which type of video you'll want to see the next, like flat sandals or heels, which type of video you'll want to see the next. So today's video is about to end. I will see you in the next few videos. So love is bye bye, take care, and thanks for watching.